we were gonna make a movie. We were gonna make a movie. Because we felt like it. There's Tulsi. Say hi, Momichi. Veda, don't. Don't, Veda. Cause I have like 5 of them. Don't. You don't need to. You don't need to. Oh my god, Tulsi, oh my god, it's an earthquake! It's an earthquake! Oh my god, how are you still on the chair? It's an earthquake! And oh my god, it's an earthquake! Tulsi, it's an earthquake! You guys are horrible actors. It's an earthquake. The whole world is going upside down. How is your hair or hands not up? That's just weird. Tulsi. You're creepy. You're creepy. Because I glued my hair. Oh god, okay. Oh my god, there's Uncle Zamar. And the world's back to normal. Feet on the left. Turn that off. Don't follow me. Oh my god! Follow me! Come on. I can't find my shoes. I got idea. Tulsi, I'm gonna interview you. Ladies and gentlemen, Tulsi's interview. Tulsi, I'm gonna interview you.
I can't find my shoes.
Tulsi, I'm gonna interview you.
No, you can. I can't find my shoes.
Alright, Tulsi, stop it.
Get out of the screen.
It's not working. Wait, now it is. Alright, I'm gonna interview Tulsi. 1, 2, 3. Tulsi. Alright. What is your favorite color?
Rainbow.
What is your favorite
Baby, ready?
snack? That was Grandma.
Sorry.
Alright. My favorite
Snack. You're way too close. Alright, go. Favorite snack is? Come on, we're running out of time. We're running out of time. Cool.
What's the most? I don't know.
Alright, that was not the interview. Yeah, it was. Alright. Okay, you'll see. What is your favorite snack? Oh yeah. What is your favorite color?
You did that once.
Oh yeah. What is your favorite picture on this thing? What's your favorite picture?
Picture?
On this thing.
Okay. My favorite picture.
No, right here.
Yeah.
Turn around. Yes.
Oh. Well, okay. My favorite picture of one of these, one of my favorites, is probably this one because it has a little baby in it. And babies are cute. Because it has a little baby in it. See? It's a little baby.
Speak up.
My fingernail is dirty.
Action.
Wow.
What's your favorite second picture?
My favorite second picture is probably this one because it has a baby in it. And babies are cute. See the little baby? Little baby?
Yeah, we see the little baby. My favorite is that one.
I like this one too. This one's also one of my favorites.
That's my favorite.
And I also like this one. And I don't like.
Oh wait! Whoa! Subject Woosley. Could be a werewolf. Could not be. I'm gonna make out with it. You ready? You ready? One.
It's a boy.
This is funny.
God, I got slime in my mouth. And poop. Yeah.
Poop.
Get it. Ew.
Okay. I don't know why I did that. Or if it's subject. Woo! Okay, Tulsi, we're gonna have to make a part 2 because we're running out of time. Say goodbye. Say your goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
nodding her head.
Alright.
You gotta say goodbye.
Alright, big hug. Okay. There's this guy. This wants to say goodbye too.
Bye.